Hello, my name is Sakode. In this video, I'll show you how you can log into your Instagram accounts on your computer. So to start, click any browser of your choice. Here I choose Chrome. In the address bar, we type in Instagram website. Then under user column, we type in username. That's your username of your Instagram account. Here you can choose your email or user ID. By choosing, you type in a password, then you click on login. Oh, I typed the wrong password. Typing it again. Then click on login. Log into your Instagram accounts. Thank you for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you.